Imagine teaching a computer to play chess without telling it the rules. Sounds impossible, right? That's exactly what reinforcement learning does. Hi, I'm Alex, and today we're diving into how AI learns through trial and error. Think about how a child learns to ride a bike. They fall, they get up, and they try again. But how does this translate to artificial intelligence? Reinforcement learning works through a reward system. When the AI makes good decisions, it gets positive feedback. When it makes mistakes, it receives negative feedback, just like training a dog, but with mathematics and algorithms. What makes this different from other types of machine learning? Unlike supervised learning, where we provide labeled data, reinforcement learning agents learn from their own experiences. But how do they know what experiences are valuable? This is where the reward function comes in. It's like a scoring system that tells the AI how well it's doing. Have you ever wondered how AI defeated world champions in games like Go and chess? Reinforcement learning was the key. The AI played millions of games against itself, learning from each win and loss. This technology isn't just for games. It's revolutionizing robotics, autonomous vehicles, and even energy management systems. Want to dive deeper? Here are some resources to explore. 1. Reinforcement Learning, an Introduction by Sutton and Bartow 2. OpenAI Gym Documentation 3, DeepMind's publications on RL applications. If you found this explanation helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. We post new AI and quantum computing videos every day.